time we blow this scene. Get everybody in the stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
What's up, guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to tell you how I am able to make money as a professional tricker. You see, guys, this sport is young and rather undefined. Being a professional tricker is incredibly challenging because often you're not able to have just one stream of income. You have to take a ton of different streams of income and combine them in order to make them a livable wage. So with that said, here are the 5 ways that I make money as mastering tricking. First and foremost, I'm able to make some money through the creation of educational tricking content. Now, what I mean by that is I get paid a little bit of money through the AdSense off the tutorials that I put on YouTube. Now, guys, this isn't a lot of money, but putting out 1 tutorial a week does add up over time, and you get paid after you make a video for the duration of the video's lifetime. So each time I make a video, I'm kind of giving myself a little raise. Guys, making educational tricking content is of course the foundation of mastering tricking. And that's why I'm increasing my upload rate to 5 days a week. Guys, if you want to make some money as a professional tricker, one of the first things you can do is make tutorials. Go, share your thoughts and help other trickers learn. The second way I'm able to make money as a tricking athlete is through the sale of tricking clothing, just like the type I'm wearing right now. You see, guys, as a tricking athlete, it's been my pleasure to go out and collect a ton of different tricking clothing from the brands that are out there now. Shirts from Plan Zero, Adrenaline, Kojo's Trick Lab. And after collecting all of those, I was able to make my final decisions on a shirt that I thought represented mastering tricking. And that's this one. It's a high quality, breathable, lightweight tee with nice heat transfer vinyl printing that'll last forever. Guys, if you want to support mastering tricking, please go grab a shirt. If you want a little bit of a discount, you can use promo code MASTERING to save yourself 10%. Thank you guys again for everybody who is out there wearing tricking clothing, supporting our sport, and helping our athletes grow. Guys, the third way I'm able to make money as mastering tricking is by creating and selling the mastering curriculum. You see, guys, like I said earlier, tricking is a really young sport, and people don't really know where to start, how to get good, or how to maintain their bodies. And those are the issues that I wanted to address when writing the mastering curriculum. Guys, if you want a more detailed approach into how to get good at tricking and also get my personal philosophy, the things that I think are extremely important if you want to grow and succeed as a tricking athlete. Guys, there are a ton of different ways to learn tricking. If you want to learn the mastering tricking way, I recommend picking up the mastering curriculum. It is all for sale on howtomastertricking.com, and that promo code I gave you for the shirts also works for the ebooks. Guys, the fourth way I'm able to make money through tricking is by the Mastering Tricking Patreon. When I started this channel, I wasn't sure where it was going to go, but I know I needed to make enough money to get me to Hooked Gathering. So I started a page where people could donate their money if they felt what I was doing was valuable. This way, the people in the community who could afford to could support mastering tricking without keeping it from those in the community who just couldn't afford it, who just couldn't support it because they didn't have the financial means. With the Patreon, I'm able to make tricking for the entire tricking community while also giving support to those who are supporting me. Everybody who donates their money towards mastering tricking gets direct access to me through the built-in Patreon Messenger. There, they can ask me questions, get tips, or advice on their tricks if they're really struggling. Guys, if you want to go deeper with mastering tricking and reach out to me personally, please become a patron. The fifth and final way I make money as mastering tricking is by doing seminars and private lessons. That said, I don't do very many. I do these on a case-by-case basis. You see guys, when I put out a tutorial on mastering tricking, the entire world is able to see it and learn from it. But when I do a seminar or a private lesson, I'm only able to help the people that are in the room that day. And guys, I need a bigger reach than that. That said, if you guys want a seminar or a private lesson, please reach out to me through the contact page on howtomastertricking.com. They are not cheap, fair warning, and I do not do online private lessons. But if you guys are along the East Coast and want to have me out, please reach out at howtomastertricking.com. And guys, that is it. That is the 5 ways that I make money as mastering tricking. That said, I'm not the only professional tricker. There are a ton of other trickers who are making a living and doing it their way. Go check out Dominique Lewis, Kyle Skelly, Bailey Payne, and Sam Kojo. All those guys are great examples of professional tricking athletes who are able to turn their passion for the sport into a career. And guys, thank you so much for supporting mastering tricking. If it wasn't for you guys contributing towards this project with your money through the Patreon, the ebooks, the clothing, and through just your AdSense on YouTube, it all adds up and I couldn't do it without you. So guys, thank you so much and have a lovely day.